BBC viewers were quick to share their thoughts on the Olympics closing ceremony tonight. As the Olympic Games came to an end in Paris tonight, the French capital are holding one more party to celebrate the Games before they hand over the torch to the United States, and the next host city of Los Angeles. Not much has been revealed about the closing ceremony, but we do know it has been created by Thomas Jolly, who also led the opening ceremony. Bosses have promised performances from world-famous acrobats, dancers and singers, with Billie Eilish and the Red Hot Chilli Peppers on the bill. Tom Cruise is also expected to perform a huge stunt to celebrate the Games' move to Los Angeles.